Today's project is we're replacing this one with this new one. Now I got an impact with a 1/2 inch socket on it to take the nuts off. I have my drill with the Phillips screw head on it to take the plate off inside the door. So those nuts I was talking about are inside. There's two there, two on top, two on the other side, and two on top. I'm going to take those off and I'll be back. So the next tool I'm using is a 1/2 inch ratchet. And I'm going to have to put back here just like that, and then use my impact to take it off. So these top ones are bigger, so I had to go to the 9/16 and a 9/16 socket. On the back, they just have the square ones in it, so you don't have to have a ratchet to hold it. Alright, we got it off. There it is. Alright, now we got to take this plate off. It's got 3 screws. So you just pull this strip off right here. Alright, so we still have this. This stays on. We're going to clean this up real fast. Now we're ready to put on the new one. It's built by MoRide. I'm not sponsored by them. But when I got the package, I noticed that it was bent a little bit. So I'm going to try to bend that back, and then we're going to try to install it. So it's still a little high. So what I'm going to do is I marked out there and there. I'm going to use a saw. I'm going to cut that off and see if I can lower it down just a little bit. Alright, so I cut that piece off. And I'm going to use that weather strip that I bought. I'm going to put it on here. So here's what it looks like. So I did take a mullet. I hit it pretty hard so I can bend it down enough so the door can close easily. Pull this pin out. Just like that. Now we're going to have to extend these ones, both of them, to fit inside. Just like that. So I got my socket set. It's got a 7/16 on it. Alright, so I had to cut out a little bit more. But it locks in now and unlocks. And I had to adjust this part. Alright, now that it's in place, we're going to start finishing putting in the screws. So this is what it looks like with the door closed. Let me open it. And this is what it looks like with it open. So I went and bought a pill and stick chalk. I've already put some white caulking on it to seal some of the cracks. I'm going to put that on there and see how that does. Here's what it looks like with that seal strip on. Well, that's it for the video. I like how it came out. No more shaking like an earthquake. Well, If you have any questions or if you think I could have done something better, please leave it down in the comment. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video.